Yehovah do.
Na faculty minim say now una the faculty for all DJs in Ghana. That is true. Now this journey no I know say it didn't come so easy. To say the no be hu a obo abaso no. Ya pese ye hu kakra bi background kakra bi be e hyose fie and now baby a wabedru. Yeah.
Okay. So maybe ankasa the Linus above
Akuma FM.
Yeah. And go school edu tertiary. Yes, the started DJing in the year 2009.
Wow.
Yeah, I've really come a long way. Yeah.
Okay.
With the strength of God.
Okay,
yeah.
so now Nobeka say how many years in this DJ business?
2009 to now is more than 10 years.
Yeah, it's more than 10 years.
12 years. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
First of all, unya nomination for DJ of the year no, not feeling no at saying.
Oh, the feeling was great. Yeah.
Akuma FM.
Great. Manager, because first of all, I didn't file for nomination. I didn't file for nomination, but my name managed to appear there.
Okay.
So it was great.
Your very first time when your nomination for DJ of the year now.
There be somewhere last year, Ghana's DJ Awards. Minya 3 nominations, which one of them was the ultimate award.
The DJ of the year.
The DJ of the year. Yeah,
very good. Not just a boy Juma because you can't. Unya Ghana DJ Awards and Albania was 3 music, but unfortunately Ghana DJ Awards you had only the nomination but not the award. And then I said when you this time round which me but looking at category now woman and the kind of DJs are no woman. Were you so sure so bet me a winning?
It was a tough one. Let me hear them because some of my colleagues are now on the room now. The moment you go anywhere and you mention their name, you be like, hey, that DJ way, that DJ way. So to me, I knew that it wasn't going to be easy. But now me did it.
Akuma FM.
Now me did it also.
Okay, now Nyamia you are dumb. What me are winning? Then I'll be quickly on your award. Now the other catch your fans so.
Okay, so quickly, and say, I hope that this award will bring us more blessings, more open doors to be able to do more things, and then also help the younger ones coming up. Because because the DMO, I see a lot of younger ones are on my church, and I am taking my time to reply them.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Akuma FM.
So let me take those decisions. And okay. Secondly, to me found someone over man and on the bonfire man. That one you say, I mean, say, Kenya, me winning on the thousand almost every winning.
Okay. Unim say eba date rush and showbiz 360. A man for sales just say who can be and a man for a show no. Now, we are addicted to that programs showbiz 360 and date rush. Almost tie wo. Almost me vote my war. Nyina dey na catch omo.
Akuma FM.
Me
thousand and over. Charlie. O say krom for her when him da bang.
Oh, very soon. Never.
All right. All right.
Me know the
what you say? Bako one blood.
Yes.
Okay, the faculty. Yedu besia na yabo abaso. Thank you very much. All right, DJ faculty.